Ride Radar fam. Today we've got something that's equal parts nostalgia and modern muscle. It's the 2025 Honda Shadow 750, a cruiser that's been turning heads for decades, now back with some fresh upgrades. But here's the big question: is it still the king of midsize cruisers? Or is it just another blast from the past? Well, wait for it. We're about to dive deep into everything from design to performance and whether it's worth your hard-earned cash. Before we hit the throttle, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss our latest rides and reviews. Now, let's roll. Design style: the 2025 Shadow 750 stays true to its classic cruiser DN, but gets a few tweaks that bring it into the modern era. The sleek teardrop tank, blacked-out engine casings, and bobber-inspired fenders give it that mean, road-hungry stance. Plus, it comes in some killer new colors like midnight black, deep crimson, and pearl white. And here's something you might not expect: Honda's added LED lighting all around. That means better visibility without messing up its old-school charm. But here's the real deal: it still oozes that long-haul comfort. The low-slung seat, swept-back bars, and forward foot pegs. They're all designed for relaxed, all-day cruising. So, does it still look the part? Absolutely. But what about what's under the hood? Let's find out. Engine performance: the 2025 Shadow 750 keeps its legendary 745-seek liquid-cooled V-twin. But Honda has tuned it for even smoother power delivery. It's got torque for days -58 Nm at just 3,500 RPM. That means effortless highway cruising and punchy acceleration when you need it. And here's where things get interesting: Honda has given it a new 6-speed transmission. No more high revving in top gear, making those long rides even more enjoyable. Now, if you're thinking, is it fast? Well, it's not a sport bike, but it'll get you from 0 to 60 in around 5 seconds, not bad for a cruiser. And let's talk sound. Honda tweaked the exhaust to give it a deeper, throatier rumble. It's not obnoxiously loud, but it lets people know you've arrived. Bottom line? It's smoother torque here, and just an all-around better ride. But what about tech? Honda's known for sneaking in some surprises. Features: technology: Honda didn't go overboard, but they did give the Shadow just the right amount of modern touch. First up, a new LCD instrument cluster. It's cleaner, easier to read, and now includes a gear position indicator finally. Next, ABS is now standard, which is a game changer for safety. No more worrying about those unexpected stops in the rain. And here's something cool: Honda has added a USB-C charging port. So whether you're running GPS or just need to juice up your phone on the go, you're covered. Is it a tech powerhouse? No. But does it give you what you actually need? Absolutely. All right, let's talk about the final deciding factor: the price. Is it worth it? Price: final opinion. Here's the moment of truth. What's this beauty gonna cost you? The 2025 Honda Shadow 750 starts at $8,999. That's only a slight bump from the previous model, and considering you're getting the 6-speed, LED lighting, and ABS standard, it's a solid deal. So, should you buy it? If you're looking for a reliable, stylish, and comfortable cruiser that won't break the bank, the Shadow 750 is a no-brainer. It's smooth, easy to ride, and perfect for both beginners and seasoned riders. But if you're after something with more horsepower and tech-loaded gadgets, you might want to look elsewhere. Overall, though, Honda nailed it. The Shadow 750 keeps its legacy alive with just the right amount of upgrades. What do you think? Is the 2025 Honda Shadow 750 the best midsize cruiser of the year? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And before you go, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more epic reviews from Ride Radar. Until next time, ride safe, ride smart, and keep the rubber side down.